Hi folks, Jared here, DWIH Communications Officer and your resident mixologist for the Future Forum, coming in with my Future Forum raincoat and rainy day here in Brooklyn. Just ran out to grab our supplies, so let's go make a cocktail. Alrighty folks, came back in, got dried up, we're ready to make this Future Forum cocktail. If you look it up on the internet, it's called a blood and bourbon. But for our purposes, just a Future Forum cocktail. Got my little shaker here, filled it up with ice, 1.5 ounces of blood orange juice. If you don't have it, get yourself some regular orange juice, throw in some fruit punch, pomegranate juice, anything to add that little splash of color. We're looking for that deep orange. That's what we're going for. Next thing, we're going to add a squeeze of lemon juice. So I just got myself a little chunk here. It's supposed to be 0.25 ounces. No point in measuring out something that small. 0.25 ounces of lemon. We're looking for a little bit of that acidity. We're gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. So this top little piece here on the jigger measures out 1 ounce. So I'm gonna do 2 of these. You can already imagine the color this is gonna be. It's gonna be that nice deep orange, hopefully. We are going to do 2 dashes of bitters. That's a 1, 2. And then, because I think the color is going to be a little bit dark, I am going to go in with half of an orange. I'm just going to squeeze it with my hands. This thing's too small. It's made for lemons. It's not going to work. So I just want it to be a nice orange color. I don't want it to be completely dark and red. The last thing that we are going to add to this is a little bit of simple syrup. So we're looking for about 1 ounce of simple syrup. And I'm going to throw that in off camera. Then I'm going to pour it up for you guys. To everyone who attended our event over the last 4 days, seriously, thank you so much. I hope that you discovered a new vision for a sustainable urban future for yourself, your town, your communities. And this is just to say, cheers. Delectable.